Just a little bit.
I'm like a little more than sitting.
Oh, there's water.
I'm
fascinated with this.
Oh, sorry about the light.
I'm crazy.
If you stand,
I will stand, yes, in a minute.
if you stand right here and look that way, you can see some of the street.
It's a little disorienting, isn't it?
Wacko, you know.
You know, that's not as loud as I expected. That's louder than I expected it to be.
What is it? I don't know. She turned around. I think that she was. It's probably just
What did you got in the highest? East Goodwill toward me.
Pretty cool, better game though.
It's pretty cool. It is more eerie than I thought.
More what?
A little bit more eerie once you get to the top.
Can you see out, Scott?
Yeah, I can see the street. I don't think that this thing will work for with it.
Oh, we're up pretty high. You got to pull one up.
Well, up here it's a little louder.
Okay, I'm going that way now.
Squeezing back to that
Alright.
wall.
Now, I'm always great at getting up ladders, but getting down ladders is a different story.
My church in Mississippi just cut a stained glass window in the front of our sanctuaries. Growing up, we had no stained glass windows, so it was a huge deal to step